In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning vintage effect for your photos using CapCut. Whether you're looking to add a nostalgic touch or simply want to enhance your storytelling, this guide will take you step by step through the process. First things first, start by importing your photo into CapCut and placing it on the timeline. The timeline is your workspace where all the magic happens, allowing you to effortlessly organize and manage your edits. To import your image, simply tap on the Media Library icon, select your photo, and drag it down onto the timeline. Placement is key here as it sets the foundation for your entire project. Next, we'll create camera movements using zoom or pan keyframes. These are special markers that tell CapCut where to start and end a motion, creating a dynamic feel as if a camera is capturing the scene. Click on the keyframe icon and decide whether you want to zoom in for emphasis or pan across the image for a broader perspective. Adjust the scale and position parameters to your liking. But remember, subtlety often has the strongest visual impact. Now let's enhance the vintage feel by applying effects. Head over to the Effects tab where you'll find options like film grain, sepia, and dust. Each of these effects adds a unique layer of texture to your image, taking it from digital clarity to classic nostalgia. Film grain will give your photo that authentic old-school texture, while sepia adds warmth, transforming colors into those beautiful brownish tones associated with early photographs. The dust effect further deepens the illusion by mimicking the introduction of particles and a sense of age. For the next step, consider adding a voiceover or a piece of old audio. This introduces another layer of immersion, drawing your viewer in and enriching the overall experience. You can record your voiceover directly within CapCut, or upload an audio file that complements the visual story you are trying to convey. Perhaps a snippet of an old song or a piece of archival news audio. This auditory element can evoke emotions and set the tone for your vintage aesthetic. Finally, to round off the look, apply a fade in and out effect. This mimics the pacing commonly found in documentaries and adds a professional touch. Within CapCut, select your photo and navigate to the Transitions menu. Apply a fade transition at both the beginning and the end of your image. This gentle easing in and out not only softens the edges of your video, but also provides a seamless start and finish, allowing your audience to transition smoothly into and out of the experience. And there you have it, a wonderfully nostalgic image that tells a story and draws viewers in with its vintage charm. By following these steps, you'll have transformed a simple photo into a timeless piece of art that captures the imagination. Happy editing!